In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable AI, Omni and Field Agents. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want to work. Think of your base as the workspace that Airtable AI will read from and respond to. You'll want to be in the exact base that contains the tables and records you care about, because the AI features use your existing fields and data to generate insights and outputs. Next, open the AI panel in Airtable. You'll find a dedicated area for AI where you can interact with Omni and set up AI-driven fields. This is your command center for asking questions about your data and for building automated outputs that live directly in your records. Let's begin with Omni. Omni lets you ask natural language questions about your base. It's especially helpful for quick analysis and status checks. For example, you can ask it to summarize tasks across a project, surface anything that's overdue, or analyze progress by team, assignee, or deadline. As you ask questions, be as specific as possible. Mention the table and any relevant fields so Omni can reference the right context. If the answer looks off, refine your question and try again. Clarity pays off. Now, set up an AI field, sometimes called a field agent. Click the plus button to add a new field to your table, then choose the AI field type. This creates a dedicated column where Airtable AI can write results for every record. It's perfect for repeatable tasks like summaries, action items, or classifications. Enter a clear prompt for what you want the AI to produce. For instance, summarize this task and suggest the next action item. Keep your prompt concise but directive. Mention any format you prefer, like one sentence for the summary and one bullet-style action item. Avoid including any sensitive information in your prompt or data. Tell Airtable which fields the AI should use to do its job. Selecting the right inputs ensures better results. You might choose task name for context, notes for details, and related resources for links or references. The AI will only read what you allow, so choose fields that contain the substance of the work. Generate the results, and Airtable AI will populate the new field for each record. You'll see summaries or recommendations appear across your table without manual copying and pasting. Finally, review the output. Skim for accuracy, tone, and completeness. If something seems off, adjust your prompt or tweak which fields the AI reads from, then regenerate. Small changes can dramatically improve consistency and clarity. Thanks for watching.